Hi, and welcome to How to Build a Slide Deck. For this video, I'll be walking you through the process of properly building a slide deck for any presentation that you might have here at NeuroFlash. Just to start, your friend is going to be the template gallery, so I will show you how to get to the templates. There are multiple ways. One way to do that is to come into the Content Hub, which hopefully you saw how to use this at a previous video. If not, there's another one coming. To find the templates, you can go to Content Type and filter by templates. Here we have different templates for you to use. I'm going to start in this case with the Master Sales Intro Call. Here it will take me to the template gallery. Another way to navigate to the template gallery is to go to your personal drive, press New, Google Slides from a template. Here it will take you to the template gallery, the same place that the Content Hub just took us. All right. Once I get to the template gallery, I can either start my deck from the master template, which is the first one on the left, or by going to the bottom and clicking on the sales intro call template or the sales recommendation and proposal template. For this video, I'm going to start with the sales intro call template. Once I select this template, it'll take a second to load just because there's a lot in here. A whole deck will load with about 50 slides. These are not all meant to be kept, but they're meant to be used in whichever way you would like. So you can pick which slides you want and which slides you don't want. Just delete the ones you don't want. This deck is now yours and it lives in your personal drive. As long as you have started from the template gallery, this deck is yours. So the first thing that you should do is change the template name to test, or in this case, I'm changing it to test, but you can change it to whatever you want to call this deck. Here you have different options for intro slides, for an agenda slide, as well as intros to NeuroFlash, our different rankings, customer logos, navigate methodology, change management slides, etc. can all be found in here. Once you decide what slides you want, keep those, delete the rest. From here, if you want new slides, you can copy and paste those from other decks. In order to do that, you should be going back to the Content Hub. Let's say I have a presentation where I'm looking for customer stories on Experience Cloud. I will filter by content type. Maybe I'm looking for a customer story that is Experience Cloud and I don't know, and is CMT. I'll come here, I'll see any information that we have on customer stories for Experience Cloud. I'll click on Reddit. Here I can see the stories that are included in this bundle. I'm going to pick overall story. So I am looking now at the slide and I know I want to copy and paste it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of the content on the slide by dragging my mouse, or you can do Command-Shift-A, and then I'm going to go back to my test deck. Here I'll find a place that I want the slide. Maybe I want it after the agenda, and I'll pick the same background. So I know that that background was plain stars. You could put it on just plain dark if you wanted, and I will just copy all of the content onto the slide. This will keep your slides from breaking or having any problems in the future. So this is the best way to add any new slides into your deck. That includes copying from other slides or other decks. Maybe I wanted to copy a slide from the QBR template. So let me unfilter by all of these, and maybe I'll go to slide decks where I see all of these example slide decks. Maybe I want one from the Kobe presentation. I'll open the Kobe presentation, although this is not a template. Same thing applies. I really like this slide. This is the one I want. This is the content I need. I'm going to copy and paste all of the content on the slide, then come here and add a new slide. I can see the same background is in here. If I can find it, here it is. And I will just copy and paste. It's the same exact slide, maybe 3 seconds faster, and it will not break.